you can actually live stream to any social media platform like Facebook or YouTube with just your aerial webcam or your digital webcam and your sound card without using any streaming software like vMix or OBS, just in case you have a low spec system. I'm going to show you how to do this. Stay tuned in this video. Don't forget my name, Joseph Olasukomi, and this is Extensive. Okay, so I have my camera here which is connected, and I have my main camera here. So this is my aerial camera which I'm going to be using connected right now. Okay, so let's just go straight to Facebook. This is my Facebook. Yes, you can actually follow up also Extensive. I just started not quite long, so you can follow up also for more tips on Facebook. I'm going to post in some tips also on Facebook. But let's go straight to the video. So just like how you go live using vMix or OBS, you can also go live using that. So your live video, then you go to go live. Then in your normal go live, as usual, you click in, you put in your title, description, and everything. I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is it over here, streaming software. But do you know you actually see not only streaming software, you see webcam also here. So this is the webcam I'm going to use today. So for the webcam, I'm going to use webcam, not 2, but 1. Webcam 1, which is this. Then for your audio source, I'm going to be clicking on the audio source. I will click on the default jack mic. This is my sound card right now. This is my sound card. That is the jack mic sound card. So if you have any sound card connected, you're going to see it. I don't think it's default. I think it's this actually. Yes. Yeah, I think it's this. So if you have any sound card, you should see them here. All my virtual mic, VB audio cable, the A, B, everything. All your audio source will be here. So if you have your audio interface also, you're gonna see your audio interface here. So this way, so you're just gonna be using your camera and your audio device. Okay, so the disadvantage here is just that you won't be able to be switching between camera 1 and camera 2, and you won't also be able to add overlays and stuff like that because you're actually just using this directly. Okay, so well, I have to put in our title, which is, let's just say testing. Not testing because everyone is gonna see it. So let me just say recording for video upload. Control C, paste. You can use different things here also. It's not a must to have the same thing actually, but I don't want to talk too much. So this is recorded, done. So just click on go live and you see 3, 2, 1, and that is it. So we're live right now. This is how you go live using this. I didn't even open vMix. Look, everybody, I didn't open OBS. I'm using live streaming directly to Facebook. Okay, so as we're live here, because of my Wi-Fi, the speed is actually bad, so that's why it's having this bit of frame rate issue. But in the meantime, you see that the video is actually good, the audio is good, but the network is not good. That is why it's doing this. So just ignore that since my network is not that good. My Wi-Fi is actually upstairs and the signal strength is not that good, and I'm downstairs doing this video in the studio. That is why there's a bit of this. But in the meantime, in YouTube also, I will go straight to create and go to go live. Okay, now this is my stream over here. This is how you're gonna see it when you come to your Facebook. You're gonna see the stream and everything over here. Then next, what I'm gonna do is go into webcam, just like how we did on Facebook. We went to webcam. On YouTube also, we go to webcam. So webcam is loading. Rather, my network, actually my network is real bad. So in your webcam, put in your title. I'm just gonna paste the one I use from Facebook. Put in your description. Paste also. Then if you want to change your what is about, how to can for churches you use this, you use non-profit for churches. Yes, non-profit and activism. But for me, it's a how-to or educational video. So like I'm teaching you guys how to do something. So if it's a short something, I just use how-to. Then thumbnail, we also upload thumbnail like how you would do if you want to also go live. So I can say I don't want to say question and answer. Let me just see if I can have extensive logo. Yes. So I'm just going to put my logo here directly. Then also, I don't think I have put anything over here. So go straight to the next. Monetization, of course, just balance, not too much. Then customization, you can put it too much if you want to earn more, actually, but they're going to be interrupted more and more. So I don't think that is advisable. In customization, I think these are good. If you want to add a trailer, you want to add redirect so they can watch others, and also look at redirect allow you to keep viewers engaged across multiple events, so people can watch another view after your view ends. So yes, I think I would like this. So after I finish streaming, I want people to go and watch my other live streams, which is this. Then we go to visibility, and visibility we see this public. Yes, and then we go to done. Then in done, all right, to load our time. Yep. So this is the right here in done. Then we're choosing which webcam you want to use actually, since now the old title and everything is there. Now I want to choose which webcam do we want to use. So we want to use our era webcam one also, which we're using for Facebook over here, right? So click on era webcam one. Yes, this is over here. Then for the camera, we click on for the audio rather, we click on the jack audio and we click on go live. But I don't want people to see, so let me change my visibility to the system is really really lagging because I'm recording and I'm live streaming here, and also network is not good, and also I'm live streaming again here. So let me off my face. I don't want to be public. I don't want to be public. So unlisted. Oh yeah, member only can see it. Yes, I think I like that. Member only can see it. All channel members can see it. So those my member only can see this what I'm doing right now. So they know that okay, yes, stay tuned for some. So to see this kind of thing, you have to be a member on my YouTube channel, which you can do if you only just click on the join down there. After that, subscribe. So after subscribe, you can just click on the join down there, and you're gonna see the members on the live stream. Which also, if you can add your if you join my member only live stream, you can join our WhatsApp channel. So click on go live, and then going live, you see it over there, which is loading. So with church services, everything is going live. The network is bad, so that's why it's kind of lagging. The network is really, 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 really bad, which is lagging. So please, if you want to do this, you have to have a good network. And that is how you go live on Facebook and on YouTube without using vMix, without using OBS, without using your streaming software, just in case you have a low spec system, so it won't be dragging your system and all. You can just use your digital camera, use your webcam, and use your sound card, and you have a good streaming process. Just that you won't be able to add multiple cameras, switch and stuff, and you won't also be able to use overlays. Just you won't be able to do what OBS does, but that's still live streaming to people. So thank you very much. My name again is Yusuf. This is extensive.